Hey guys, how's everybody doing? This is a quick unboxing of a Brembo Max brake disc for a Golf Mark 4, Mark 6 1.4 TSI. In this particular case, 122 horsepower engine. It is a 288mm diameter disc. If you've got one of these cars, 1.4 TSI, you need to measure your brake disc. Basically, VW supplied this car with two different diameter brake discs from the factory, 288 or 280. So when you order, you need just measure your brake disc. It's not difficult. You don't need to take the wheels off the car or anything. You can just, get a tape measure and just measure the brake disc through the wheel. You can get a good idea through there if your discs are a 288 or a 280. And then failing that, if you're not 100% sure, then by all means take the wheels off. But if I was you, I'd give it a shot with the wheels on the car, and then you can get an idea of what the discs are. But like I said, very important. Unfortunately, Volkswagen Audi Group, they can be a bit difficult with the brakes, different calipers, different size brake discs on the same model of car. So this is the usual box that they come in the Brembo Max. It's a just a generic red box. It gives you the code on the side, and basically the 75 indicates that it is a grooved Brembo Max brake discs. Basically, guys, that's it. It comes with screws to mount it to the hub, and then it's got something else here which I'm not sure what that means, but it's a set of brake discs. Sometimes they come in one in a box, but this one comes in two in a box, and this is what you get. The usual. It just looks amazing. I got to say that the Brembo Max is one of the nicest looking brake discs I think you can put in a car, to be fair. It's completely unique, and I don't know any other brake company that makes the grooves like this, which is like the definition of unique. It gives you some codes on the outside. I'm not exactly sure what they are. It gives you the minimum thickness there, which is 22mm. So it's got a load of holes in the middle. And then if you just tip it on end, this is what you get. It looks like it's painted on the outside of the vents, so you can see in there. And this is the other side of the disc. You can see the vents there also. And this is how they come packed inside. Look, I'm not. These are the screws. I'm not exactly a fan of the way they do it, to be honest with you. Sometimes I think they could be a bit better packed. But I'm sure Brembo know what they're doing. The brake discs are a very, it's a solid product. It's solid iron, so obviously they're not worried about things getting damaged in the box. But nevertheless, I wouldn't mind seeing a bit more packaging in the box. I'll probably just put a piece of card in here just to be absolutely sure, for my peace of mind. And there's the other front. Obviously they're going to be exactly the same. They're not directional, the grooves on the Brembo Max, but this is what they look like, guys. It's a 288mm diameter disc. Obviously when you put them on the car, this is going to change color. This is going to become silver around here, and then this is going to obviously remain as it is. And like I said, it's painted on the outside, on the edges there, so it doesn't get rusty. So guys, that's it. That's a Brembo Max brake disc, Mark 5 Mark 6 Golf 1.4 TSI. As always, if you like the video, please vote on it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again next time.